going to be impossible.
Okay, today I'm here with Dele and Gio, and we're going to do a Keepy Uppy challenge with a rugby ball, a tennis ball, a golf ball, and a badminton shuttlecock.
I would have said badminton ball.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh!
9. Oh my god.
What was that, 2?
No, he said practice one.
Why did you get practice going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2.
That didn't count.
No.
You got to practice. No.
2, 3. Right, now.
What should we choose?
Football maybe?
Badminton. All the best.
How do I even start with this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 1, 2. Oh!
1, 2, 3.
Only a lot. Only a miraculous performance from me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, then, Gio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, buzzing.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, no! Dele is the champion. Woo. No way you can do that. Told you.